Thirikari nene iri mubango-ini wa kugacirithia uheani wa motungata ma thirikari kuri muingi niguo kung'ethanira na aruti wira thirikari aria makoretwo magondereire wira-ini wao. Akiaria hindi ya icera ria hinahi wabici-ini nene cia thirikari gitaru-ini kia irathiro ria bururi tauni-ini ya EMBU, MINISTA wa UTUNGATA wa MUINGI GEOFFREY RUKU augite mweri-ini wa 10 ni makaruguria mutambo wa kumurika uruti wa wira wa maabitha thirikari. RUKU augite mutambo uyu ugukorwo ukimurika maabitha thirikari mathaa maria marekinyia wira riria maraumira na riria marathie rutha, akiuga mutambo uyu ni ukurehe ugaruruku hari uheani wa motungata kuri muingi.
My people are very busy at the moment, working on an application, working on a platform, a digital platform, which will tell us whether you are at your workstation at the required time, whether you are doing what is required.
RUKU augite biacara nini nicio ibataraga motungata ma thirikari kaingi na hindi iria macerithirio biacara ici no kuharagana ciharaganaga.
With the resources which we have, with the pay which we are getting, we can give ourselves, we can put effort and have much more output of serving the people of the Republic of Kenya.
Hindi ya icera riri RUKU akorire namba nene ya aruti a wira matakinyite wabici-ini ciao makiria wabici-ini cia migunda kuria no abitha umwe ugwikinyitie.
Traffic in the major roads in the Republic of Kenya is bamba to bamba. At 6 a.m. people going to work, and majority of those people are in private sector, but we in public sector by 8 we are not at our workstation.
RUKU ni arutite mukana kuri maabitha thirikari aria maragonderera wira-ini wao akiuga mari ugwati-ini wa kurugamio wira.
Na kama tuanjibiki, sisi ndio tutapomoa nchi yetu tukisema kuna mwingine afanye kazi, na ni sisi ambao tumepatiwa nafasi ya kufanya kazi atufanyi kazi.